Well, it's dark. The peep frogs are peeping, and I think I even heard a turkey over there going. But you can see, got second leg done. This is actually the first leg. This is the second leg. They look pretty much the same, and they're really sturdy. And I'm going to show you just how sturdy they are as soon as I get this one into proper position. And I'll mount the camera to show you. Now you can see, climbing up on them. Look at that. This will provide some much needed support for Marduk when she's driving around and bumping over things. This one's just wiggling because the ground's a little uneven in front of the garage. But, you know, pair of legs done for about 25, 30 bucks. That's not too bad, and the automatic light just turned off. Hey, turn back on again. Ah! Well, anyway, if you can still see me, you know, if you like giant robot content, be sure to... There was a bird just cheeping. Be sure to like and subscribe, and, you know, if you know people who like giant robots, send this to them too. Maybe they'll like to see some guy goofing around with a bunch of junk building a giant robot. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.